Chimechums TV.
Hi kids, buckle up for a colorful adventure. Next, let's travel into the orange desert. Amazing! Look at that giant orange cactus. Can you help me find the hidden treasure? Now, let's head to the yellow beach. Amazing! Look at all the yellow sunflowers and smiley faces. Can you spot the hidden yellow fish? Next, let's climb the green mountain. Wow! Look at all the green trees and hidden green dragon. Can you help me find the dragon's treasure? First, let's venture into the red forest. Wow! Look at all the red leaves and apples. Can you find the hidden red bird? Finally, let's soar into the blue sky. Wow! Look at all the blue birds and fluffy clouds. Can you spot the hidden blue bird? Wow! What a colorful adventure! Can you remember all the colors we saw? Great job! Keep exploring and learning!
Hey kids and parents, please click subscribe and more learning and fun videos. Bye kids!